I'm sitting in the 2006 Honda Odyssey. We have one working key, one brand new key we haven't programmed. We're just going to go ahead and do a clear and erase and program these two in. I'm going to start with my one that's not programmed, turn it on, and then from that point you can see that the green immobilizer light is flashing right there. So, go to 06, immobilizer 1, conditions on. Let's count our keys here first. Three. Okay, when we're done, there's going to be 2. Program keys, 2, off, on, off, okay, take the other key, turn on, off, turn it on. After this step, you'll give a 10-second countdown. If your light begins to slow down like that on your immobilizer, you know it's going to work. The ignition's off. On. Lights out. Yes. Off. On. Lights out. Procedure complete. Now let's check our key count. Should have 2 in here now. Perfect. Now on this system, your OBD2 port's right there, and you have to use the green adapter for this vehicle.